Hi everyone, my name is Ryan Gilpin and I'm one of the co-authors of the Wildlife Best Management Practices. The Western chapter is offering an online workshop for arborists in Arizona, California, Nevada, and Hawaii to be able to act responsibly around wildlife while performing tree care activities. The workshop is going to cover topics like laws regulating wildlife, where and when you're most likely to encounter nesting wildlife, practices to implement for when you have nesting birds and in areas where you're performing tree care, and how to manage wildlife habitat through urban forestry practices. In particular, we're going to be working on how to perform a pre-work inspection prior to doing tree care. We're offering this workshop across 3 weeks where there's going to be different sessions for each state. And the participants can expect to attend 1 webinar a week, have at least 1 homework assignment, and have at least 1 quiz. If you don't work in the Western chapter, you're welcome to join us. Some of the information we present will be broadly applicable to other regions. So I look forward to seeing all of you in August.